Hi everyone, so I'm at Aldi right now and let's see what new items they have. This is a garden line tumbling composter. And it's only $12.49. Portable campfire. These are for gardening. Portable zapper with lantern. I could not see the price. Uncoated paper plates. I don't see any items here. A 4-foot portable table is $34.99. Folding multi-purpose cart that holds a maximum of 150 pounds is $49.99. A boot rack, so that's the boot rack. It's $14.99. The vehicle pet barrier is almost $30. Oh, here it is. Portable campfire, two pieces. $12.99. This is a bag zapper. It's $14.99. They have a comforter. It's $30. It's Huntington Home brand. And the spring gnomes are $8.99. Let's see how they look like. There's more gnomes here. It's $4.99. Different designs. They're very cute. Bean bag set. It's almost $7. These are ceramic baking dishes. It's a set. It's a 2-piece set. And it's $14.99. This is a serving board. It's a resin serving board. Has different colors. Well, this one is white, the other one is red or pink. Cast iron bracer. It's $25. This is a nest swing. It's almost $60. They also sell belly flats, but I think these are for girls, young kids. They also have a portable fan. It's almost $8. A coolness ultrasonic diffuser, $15. Fragrance warmer, $4.99. And some tumblers, almost $7. Metal pedestal fan for almost $40. The rattan bar cart is $44.99. And a mug tree is almost $10. A floating pet toy is almost $5. Silicone baking utensils. It looks like each set is almost $10, or a piece is almost $3. Cast iron saucepan is $16. Comes in green and white. Large collapsible pet pool is $25. Wall scones is almost $25. You also have an iced coffee maker. It's almost $25. Comes in pink and green. Cold brew coffee system is almost $10. It's insulated water bottle. Growler is almost $13. Indoor outdoor bed, $16.99. This looks like a pet bed. Hooded sleeping bag for almost $20. Cold weather hooded sleeping bag. Here you have a pool, inflatable pool for almost $30. A life vest. It's on clearance for almost $10. They also come in green and blue and pink colors. It's a portable mat and lounge in blue and green. It's almost $15. Inflatable pool animal flamingo, almost $10. Chalk, almost $4. Different summer items here. Fiesta swim lounge, almost $15. Rainbow sprinkler for almost $20. Triple water slide for almost $20. This unicorn sprinkler is almost $50. And this is River Run Lounge for almost $17. They also have a hooded beach towel for almost $7. Comes in different designs. Goggles. I cannot see the price. Oh, it's almost $5. It's a foam seat cushions. It's a 2-pack foam set. It's $6.99. Inflatable pool animal flamingo is almost $10. Indoor outdoor tablecloth is almost $8. Oh, this is really cute. Gnome candle, it's almost $7. You have different designs. It's taped so I cannot see the inside. Patriotic Decor, decorative mini gnome for almost $5. Summer gnomes, the bee flower, strawberries. The big ones are almost $13. It's $12.49. They have more here. Gnome trunk, gnome or truck. Oh, there's a gnome inside. It lights up. That's so cute. These are for barbecue. Grill tool set is almost $13. Marinating set is almost $10. Shoe tower, it's almost $20. Window sheer curtain pair is almost $10. Wood boards, it's, this is a rectangle, it's a circle, it's almost $10 each. Insulated tumbler, 29 ounces. It's almost $8. Storage food set is almost $10. It's a 24-piece set. Master cutting board is almost $10. Grilling and shredding barbecue gift set is almost $13. Drink caddy for $13. And multi-purpose woven throw, different colors, it's almost $20. They have a blue, red, and orange. This is a collapsible box bag for $6. Bike mate, the LED bike light set for almost $10. This for a bike seat cover. Umbrella chair for kids is almost $15. And some sneakers, latest sneakers. Men's sneakers as well for $13. Lightweight sandals for almost $5. Ladies garden clogs for almost $10. It comes in green and blue, also black. This is a chill mat for almost $40. Explorer boat for almost $20. That looks so cool. They have some fashion earrings for almost $5 and some sunglasses for almost $6. So I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.